In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export multiple frames in your digital design software of choice. Whether you're new to digital design or just looking for a refresher, I'll guide you through the process with clear and concise instructions to ensure you can smoothly navigate these steps without a hitch. First, let's start by selecting the frames you want to export. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, you'll want to click on each frame you wish to include in your export. This action allows you to select multiple frames simultaneously without losing the current selections, which is especially handy if you're working on a project with numerous frames and you don't want to repeat the process for each one. Make sure to click on every frame you need because exporting correct frames the first time saves time and effort. Now, with your frames selected, turn your attention to the right sidebar of your design interface. Here, you'll find the Export button. Clicking this will open up a set of options tailored for exporting your frames. This is where the magic happens. It's essential to be in the right export menu, as this will ensure you're not missing any vital options that might affect your final output. From the export dialog that appears, you'll have the opportunity to choose your preferred export format and scale. Formats might include options like PNG, JPEG, or perhaps more advanced choices depending on the software you're using. Each format has its unique strengths, so it's wise to select the one that best suits your project's needs. JPEGs are usually great for web images due to their balance of quality and file size, while PNGs are known for maintaining high quality and supporting transparency. As for scale, the scale option allows you to adjust the size of your exported files. If you want to maintain the original size of your frames, you'll want to keep this at 100%. However, if you need larger or smaller versions, you can adjust the percentage accordingly. Consider your project requirements when making this decision. Larger scales might be needed for high-quality prints, while smaller scales could be sufficient for social media. After choosing the format and scale that you desire, you're ready for the final step. Simply click the Export button and the software will execute your export command, saving all of the selected frames at once based on your specifications. This batch export capability not only saves time, but ensures a consistent look and feel across all your frames. And there you have it. An efficient, step-by-step process to export multiple frames in your digital projects. This method streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on the logistics. Happy designing and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.